Stan Store has become a leading platform for digital creators to sell ebooks, offering streamlined tools and mobile optimization that makes it easy to reach customers anywhere. The first step is creating your Stan Store account and setting up your professional storefront. This includes adding your brand logo, choosing your color scheme, and writing a compelling bio that connects with your audience. Next, you need to integrate Stripe for secure payment processing. Stripe handles all major payment methods and provides reliable transaction processing for your ebook sales. Now you can upload your ebook. Stan Store supports PDF, EPUB, and MOBI formats with a maximum file size of 100 megabytes. Make sure your content is properly formatted for the best customer experience. Finally, optimize your ebook listing for maximum visibility. Write a compelling product description between 150 and 300 words. Use a high-quality cover image at 1600 by 2400 pixels and create SEO-friendly URLs and meta descriptions to help customers find your ebook. Your Stan Store ebook setup is now complete. Next, we'll cover pricing strategies and automated delivery systems to maximize your sales. Now we'll explore how to price your ebook effectively and set up automated delivery systems that provide a seamless customer experience. Start with a tiered pricing strategy that matches your content value. Basic ebooks of 20 to 50 pages should be priced between $7 and $15. Comprehensive guides over 100 pages can command $25 to $50. Premium bundles with multiple ebooks and bonuses can reach $75 to $200. Dynamic pricing significantly increases revenue compared to static pricing. Use limited-time discounts, bundle pricing for multiple ebooks, flash sales, and seasonal promotions to create urgency and boost conversions. Set up automatic delivery via email upon purchase. When a customer completes their purchase, an automated email is sent instantly with the download link, ensuring immediate access to their ebook. Provide a customer access portal for re-downloads and backup delivery methods. This ensures customers can always access their purchases even if the original email fails, significantly improving customer satisfaction and reducing support requests. With proper pricing strategy and automated delivery systems in place, you'll maximize revenue while providing an excellent customer experience that encourages repeat purchases and positive reviews.